You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? French rugby player, part of the French national rugby team, although he's not going to be in the World Cup, unfortunately. But he's amazing. Romain Ntamack. Romain Ntamack. So that's how we say it in French. Romain, we could say Romain, that'd be okay. So there's a bit of a debate on whether you pronounce the N, you voice the N or not, Ntamack or Ntamack, depends. Different people say it differently. Romain Ntamack. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.